G'day guys, welcome back to Peace Investing. It's February 13, 2024. It's a natural gas price update, also including some ETFs including BOIL, UNG and KOLD. Now the overall trend on all time frames is bearish, although there is a bullish divergence to look out for. So it's just be mindful of that, and plus we'll go through a trading idea for you. First off with the natural gas price of the commodity on the weekly, daily and hourly. For those new to the channel, we cover all these time frames. And we've got on the weekly, we've got the ADX 25 down here showing a bearish trend. The CCI 400, which accompanies that, also is bearish. And we've got a CCI 150, which is showing any potential divergence. Now, there's no divergence currently, although there were a couple of divergences back here where the price fell off. On the daily, likewise, the ADX is showing bearish momentum. The CCI 400 is also bearish. And the CCI 150 is trending in line with the price, which is normal, with the exception of divergence. There was a bearish divergence back here versus higher highs in the price, and the price fell off. And then lastly, on the hour chart, we've also got a bearish momentum along with the CCI 400, still bearish, pretty strongly bearish. Now on the price chart, you'll notice it's broken through this support at 1834. And there's no sign yet of a reversal. It's got a little bit of a bounce there, but there's no sign yet of any type of Elliott wave reversal. So we're still in a pretty significant downtrend. Now you'll notice on the CCI 150 down here, we've got a bullish divergence, and that's still in play. You'll notice the CCI is still trending higher than that entry point there, although the price is dropping lower. So long as the price keeps dropping and the CCI remains higher than that entry, we're going to consider that as a bullish divergence still in play. Next we look at the ProShares Ultra DJ UBS natural gas ETF. Bearish on the ADX on the weekly, bullish on the CCI 400, and showing a potential bullish divergence on the weekly CCI 150 versus the price. On the daily chart, we've also got a bullish divergence on the 150 versus the price. You can see it's making new lows. And that coincides with the ADX 25, although just notice the CCI 400 is showing a bullish divergence as opposed to the price. And on the hourly chart, bearish on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and we've still got a bullish divergence to that point. You can see there that's still rising versus continuous lows on the price, so that's still a bullish divergence, and we may see a bounce there, but again, no sign yet of a bounce. Next, we've got the United States Natural Gas Fund, UNG, bearish on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and the CCI 150 is trending in line with the price. On the daily chart, bearish on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and you can see there the CCI 150 is actually broken lower than that previous point. So I'm going to keep it in there for the time being, but I'd like to see it break up a bit lower, but at the moment, technically, it's no longer a divergence. So we'll keep that in there for the moment, and maybe in the next update, I'll remove it if it gets any lower. On the hourly, you've got the ADX is 25 is bearish, the CCI 400 is bearish, and you can see there the CCI 150 is trending in line with the price. And lastly, the ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas Fund, KOLD, bullish on the ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and you can see the CCI 150 is trading in line with the price, and so that's all going well. On the daily, bullish on the ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and we've got a bearish divergence on the CCI 150. So that high is still lower than that high there on the CCI versus new highs on the price. And again, you can see there it's broken up through that resistance at 139.20, but again, no sign of a reversal at this stage. If we go back to the natural gas commodity price, in terms of a trading idea, I've got this zero lag indicator. It's with a 20 period zero lag, and in terms of we're only going to be trading short primarily. Remember, we're going short on the weekly, so if you're trading on the daily, going short as well when the ADX is trending short. So we'll have a zero lag sell indicator. So when the bar or the candle breaks below the zero lag indicator, that's a sell, and we keep going until it breaks higher than the zero lag, or the zero lag itself turns. In this case, it breaks higher than the zero lag, the close, so we close it out of that position. We don't go short until this point here. When it breaks below, we go short and we close it out again when that close breaks above the zero lag. So that's just a couple of opportunities to understand and to trade. So you can see there another trade currently in play. It went below the zero lag indicator, and if that breaks above the zero lag there, you'd close out the position with those few points made there. Just a bit of an economic outlook for natural gas. Just be aware of the storage levels, currently comfortable, although significant withdrawals for winter and heating could tighten supply later in the season. Geopolitical concerns, ongoing tensions in Ukraine and potential disruptions to the exports, natural gas exports, could impact global supply and prices. And lastly, weather volatility, continued cold snaps and could further push prices up, while milder temperatures could bring relief. So it looks like that's where we are at the moment. So again, just in terms of the overall trend is bearish, just be aware of that. We've got a bullish divergence in a couple of the charts, and just be aware of the trading ideas for possible adoption should you wish to pursue them further. So again, if you got value out of the video, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.